Chilliz value sort of equivalent to $0.0598 a coin in a very significant manner. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0590-0.0613 in a truly significant way. The earlier day close. 0.0604 in an unpretentious way. The change by and large was 0.0006, 0.99% in an unpretentious way. Backwards rate. United States dollars to CHZ, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, October 23. Cost $0.062, exceptionally greatest 0.066, kind of least 0.058, or so they certainly thought. Chilliz figure on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.064, really most extreme 0.068, essentially least 0.060, which truly is very huge. Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.063, most extreme 0.067, least 0.059 in a really significant way. Chilliz conjecture on Thursday, October 26. Cost $0.065, especially most extreme 0.070, really least 0.060 incredibly. Chilliz cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost $0.064, truly most extreme 0.068 in every practical sense, least 0.060. In multi-week Chilliz figure on Monday, October 30. Cost $0.065, by and large most extreme 0.070, for the most part least 0.060, which basically is genuinely huge. Chilliz cost expectation on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $0.066, genuinely greatest 0.071, truly least 0.061 in an unpretentious way. Chilliz gauge on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $0.066, truly most extreme 0.071, truly least 0.061 in an essentially huge way. Chilliz cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost $0.067, sort of greatest 0.072. Genuinely least 0.062 in an every way that really matters, significant way. Chilliz gauge on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.066, greatest 0.071, beautiful least 0.061, which generally shows that today's exchanged cost range. 0.0590, 0.0613, which essentially is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Chilliz cost forecast on Monday, November 6. Cost $0.065, essentially most extreme 0.070, fundamentally least 0.060 and Chilliz conjecture on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $0.065, really most extreme 0.070, truly least 0.060, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, November 8. Cost $0.061, essentially most extreme 0.065, really least 0.057 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz figure on Thursday, November 9. Cost $0.061, genuinely greatest 0.065, genuinely least 0.057, which basically is very critical. Chilliz cost expectation on Friday, November 10. Cost $0.061, greatest 0.065, exceptionally least 0.057. In 3 weeks Chilliz conjecture on Monday, November 13. Cost $0.061, exceptionally greatest 0.065, extremely least 0.057 in a by and large huge manner. Chilliz cost expectation on Tuesday, November 14. Cost $0.060, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.064, exceptionally least 0.056, or so they all things considered, thought. Chilliz gauge on Wednesday, November 15. Cost $0.061, by and large most extreme 0.065, least 0.057, showing how Chilliz estimate on Thursday, October 26. Cost $0.065, genuinely greatest 0.070, genuinely least 0.060 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz cost forecast on Thursday, November 16. Cost $0.059, most certainly greatest 0.063, genuinely least 0.055, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz conjecture on Friday, November 17. Cost $0.056, sort of most extreme 0.060, least 0.052, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about a month. Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, November 20. Cost $0.058, truly greatest 0.062, all things considered, least 0.054, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz gauge on Tuesday, November 21. Cost $0.060, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.064, exceptionally least 0.056, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to CHZ today. United States dollars to CHZ conversion scale, most certainly equivalent to 16.7350 coins per $1, exhibiting that Chilliz conjecture on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.064, kind of greatest 0.068, in every practical sense, least 0.060 in an unpretentious way. Today's reach. 16.3236, 16.9371 in a huge way. The past day's nearby. 16.5630 in a quite large way. Change for now plus 0.1720, plus 1.04% in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chilliz gauge on Monday, October 23. Cost 16.129 coins, most certainly greatest 17.241, certainly least 15.152 in a quite huge way. United States dollars to CHZ forecast on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 15.625 coins, certainly greatest 16.667, sort of least 14.706 incredibly. Dollar to Chilliz estimate on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 15.873 coins, sort of most extreme 16.949, really least 14.925 in an all things considered, significant way. United States dollars to CHZ expectation on Thursday, October 26. Cost 15.385 coins, truly greatest 16.667, truly least 14.286 in every practical sense, significant way. Dollar to Chilliz figure on Friday, October 27. Cost 15.625 coins, sort of greatest 16.667, kind of least 14.706, which generally is very critical. In multi-week United States dollars to CHZ expectation, dollar to Chilliz figure on Tuesday, October 31. Cost 15.152 coins, fundamentally most extreme 16.393, exceptionally least 14.085, exhibiting that in 3 weeks. Chilliz conjecture on Monday, November 13. Cost $0.061, in every practical sense, greatest 0.065, genuinely least 0.057, which basically is very critical. United States dollars